Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I made this Hasselback sweet potato. You want to first start off by washing and drying your sweet potato. Then you're going to cut slits through the potato about 1/8 of an inch apart. You're going to cut down all the way until about 1/2 inch from the bottom. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Then we're going to bake the sweet potato for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To 2 tablespoons of melted butter, we're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of apple pie spice blend and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. The apple pie spice blend is by McCormick. It's a combination of cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg. After about 30 minutes of baking, then we're going to brush on the butter onto the baked potato. Then we're going to place it back into the oven for another 30 minutes.